Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Universal UTV Wiper Kit is probably one of the most important accessories for any UTV owner who values clear visibility, especially when riding in challenging weather conditions. This video will cover everything you need to know about choosing and installing the right kit for your machine, ensuring optimal performance and safety on the trails. Number 5. KEMIMOTO UTV Wiper Kit. Introducing the KEMIMOTO UTV Windshield Wiper Kit. It's designed to keep your windshield clear, giving you a better view of the trail ahead. Enjoy safer and more enjoyable rides. This kit fits a variety of UTVs and golf carts. The 16-inch blade and 18-inch handle ensure a perfect fit for most models. It's easy to install and compatible with many popular brands. It's built to last. The wiper is made with durable materials that resist rust and rattling, ensuring a long lifespan. It's designed for hard-coated polycarbonate or glass windshields. Operation is simple and efficient. The hand-operated design is easy to use, providing a clear view with minimal effort. You'll appreciate the smooth and consistent wiping action. It features a precision tension steel spring for even pressure along the entire blade. This ensures a streak-free clean every time, providing optimal visibility. This kit replaces most manufacturers' attaching straps for a quick and easy installation. Get back to enjoying your ride in no time. What we like. This manual wiper is built to last, resisting rust and rattling. Its design ensures a consistent wipe across your windshield, no matter the terrain. If you value reliability and simple operation in your UTV or golf cart, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Easy install. Just make sure you install it in a spot that will give you enough throw for the wiper to clear your view. Haven't got a chance to use it yet, but I don't see why it won't work. I bought this for my 2018 Polaris Ranger with a hard-coated poly windshield. It was hard to see out the windshield when it rained. The wiper kit is a great value for the money. It was easy to install, and after a little tweaking it works great. It applies good pressure to the windshield and wipes cleans. Coverage for the wiper is way better than I expected. This was a lifesaver on a recent ride up in the mountains where it was raining pretty hard. It was so nice to not have to get out and manually clean things off during the actual ride. I have a Can-Am Maverick X3 with a bent metal windshield, and it works great on that bigger glass windshield. Popped out the plastic plug in the pre-drilled hole and had this installed in less than 5 minutes. Number 4. KEMIMOTO UTV Wiper Kit. This kit is designed to improve visibility in your UTV. It's easy to install and provides a clear view, no matter the weather. It boasts a 90-degree sweep, ensuring thorough cleaning of your windshield. You can even wire two together for a dual wiper system. With a 16-inch rubber blade and a 22-inch total length, it fits most UTVs. Please check your dimensions to ensure compatibility. This kit is compatible with a wide range of UTV models, including Polaris RZR, Ranger, General, Can-Am Maverick, Commander, Massimo, and more. Check the product description for a full list. It can be mounted above your windshield or in the left corner. An installation video is available online for your convenience. The kit includes everything you need: a motor, blade, arm, and all necessary hardware. Get yours today. What we like. Enjoy the convenience of an electric wiper system with the flexibility to add a second wiper for ultimate visibility. It's compatible with a wide range of UTVs and easily adaptable to your specific needs. If you prioritize ease of use and superior cleaning power, this electric wiper is for you. What people say. It was very easy to install and works great. Works perfect with my Polaris Ranger 570 SP Premium WA poly windshield. The installation was a breeze, even for someone like me who isn't a seasoned mechanic. The kit came with clear instructions, making it a straightforward process. Number 3. Boine 2 Set 15.7 UTV Wiper. This kit is designed for superior performance and easy installation on various vehicles. It's the perfect solution for keeping your windshield clear and your view unobstructed. It fits a wide range of vehicles, including UTVs, golf carts, and more. Check compatibility list to see if it fits yours. It features a high-quality natural rubber coating on the wiper blade for a quiet, streak-free wipe every time. This ensures a smooth and efficient cleaning. Installation is a breeze. Simply drill a 1-2-inch hole, attach the handle and arm, and you're ready to go. No special tools are needed. The wiper blade and arm are both 15.7 inches long, with a total length of 22.5 inches from handle to wiper end. This ensures complete windshield coverage. We stand behind our products. If you have any issues, our customer support team is here to help. Contact us for assistance. What we like. This wiper boasts a whisper-quiet operation thanks to its high-quality rubber blade. It's also incredibly easy to install, requiring only a simple drilling step. If you need a quiet and efficient wiper that's simple to set up, this is the one for you. What people say. The installation was very easy, they work as they should, and the best part is they work without power, so no problems for sure. Just needed part of the arms to fix mine that I couldn't get parts for elsewhere. Worked great. I had another wiper from a SXS Supply website before I bought this one. It was way too short for the windshield. Ended right in front of the driver's eyes and made it hard to see. This one is much longer, goes to about 1 inch from the bottom of the windshield and much further to the edges. It actually came with a Bosch wiper as well. Great buy if you've got the Polaris glass windshield with the mounting hole in the metal frame up top. You'll just need 2 fender washers to space out the pressure of the threaded tube. Number 2. Universal UTV UTV Wiper Kit. This kit is designed to fit most UTVs, ensuring a clear view in any weather. It's easy to install and provides a reliable wiping solution. It boasts a 110-degree sweep angle, providing complete windshield coverage. This ensures a uniform pressure across the blade for optimal cleaning. The convenient on-off switch located on the motor allows you to easily control it. Turn it off when not in use to save power. Everything you need is included: the motor, wiper arm, blade, wiring, and installation instructions. It's a comprehensive kit for a simple installation. Please verify your UTV's compatibility using the part number before ordering. We're here to help if you have any questions. What we like. This electric wiper offers a wide 110-degree sweep, ensuring complete windshield coverage. The on-off switch adds extra convenience. If you want a powerful, efficient, and easy-to-install electric wiper, this is a great option. What people say. The motor seems strong enough. It was advertised as a 110-degree sweep and it barely dosed 90. Number 1. Xislet UTV Hand Wiper. This hand-operated wiper keeps your trail view clear, no matter the mud or rain. Enjoy improved safety and visibility. It's easy to install with pre-installed adapters and clear instructions. Get it up and running quickly. With a 16 to 18-inch blade, it provides excellent coverage for your UTV windshield. Enjoy a wider, clearer view. The precision tension steel spring ensures uniform pressure, preventing scratches and noise. It's built to last. It fits most UTVs, including Polaris Ranger, RZR, Can-Am, Kawasaki, Honda, and Pioneer models. It also works with glass or polycarbonate windshields. We've included a spare wiper blade, so you'll always have a backup. It's ready to use when you need it. You'll need to drill a 1-2-inch hole in your windshield for mounting. The instructions make it simple. What we like. This manual wiper comes with an extra blade for extended use. Its simple design and included instructions make installation a breeze. If you need a reliable, easy-to-install manual wiper with a backup blade, this is a great option for you. What people say. I really like manual wipers for my UTV, they work surprisingly well and you don't have to run any wiring, which can be a pain. It is actually a much better built wiper assembly than the original one I had for the driver, and it works great. These are simple to operate, you simply grab the knob and twist. And your window is clean. The wiper is a spring-loaded that keeps it tightly pushed against the window. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.